Later, Dr. Yalçın saw me and suggested that we do some minor touch-ups. Today is Champions Day at ONEP, and we are here with our champion patient, well, rather our client, Ms. Seçil. We'll be talking about small aesthetic enhancements. Yes, actually, we originally came for Halil's gynecomastia surgery, but then Dr. Yalçın saw me and said we should do some subtle procedures as well. Because I truly believe every woman needs small touch-ups from time to time. Absolutely. What will we be doing today? We talked about mesotherapy and I already needed Botox. I had it done before, about a year ago. But since we do very high intensity training, the face tends to need it again quite quickly. Yes, we train very intensely. Our goal today is to enhance the radiance of her skin. She is already very beautiful, but we will work on achieving an even healthier, more luminous skin quality. Thank you very much. Doctor, I'd like to ask you something. I had Botox before, last year, before going on stage, and at that time I was training even more intensely. However, the Botox didn't last. That's actually expected because after Botox, we strongly recommend avoiding exercise for 1 to 2 days, especially heavy workouts. Additionally, after Botox, we always schedule a follow-up appointment around day 13-14 to reassess the results. If necessary, we perform touch-ups or additional treatment in areas where the effect was insufficient. I do remember resting for a couple of days even though it was competition season. But despite that, it didn't last. I went back and had it done again and still the result wasn't satisfactory. Maybe I personally needed a longer rest period. That's possible. The effectiveness can also be influenced by whether the cold chain of the medication was properly maintained, as well as the quality and brand of the product used. So it's not necessarily something to blame on the patient. Honestly, Botox has always been something I was afraid of. When eyebrows look overly lifted and unnatural, it really scared me. After 14 days, we'll do another interview and evaluate the Botox results. I'm very much in favor of natural looking results. I don't wear makeup. I really don't use it at all. That's why Botox always worried me, whether it might look too exaggerated. Our approach is natural Botox combined with mesotherapy. We first perform radiofrequency treatment, followed by mesotherapy. Especially for athletes like you who don't use makeup and frequently appear on stage, skin radiance is very important. I believe mesotherapy will be extremely beneficial for you. Yes, absolutely. Can mesotherapy and Botox be done on the same day, doctor? Yes, they can be safely performed on the same day since they are applied to different areas. So we'll meet again for another interview in 14 days. Agreed. See you at the follow-up. See you in 14 days.